learned some basic knowledge on solar system. The solar system is a part of the universe consisting of all the celestial bodies. The solar system includes the sun, satellites, and the 8 planets. It also includes some other celestial bodies like meteoroids and asteroids. These planets have broadly been classified into 2 categories, that are inner planets and outer planets. Inner planets include Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and outer planets include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Inner planets are also called as terrestrial or rocky planets. They are nearer to the Sun. And outer planets are also called as Jovian or gaseous planets. They are far away from the Sun. How many planets are there in our solar system? Option 8, 9, 7, 6. Okay, answer is 8, which is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Who discovered the solar system? Answer is Nicolaus Copernicus. Which is the biggest planet in our solar system? Mars, Jupiter, Neptune, Venus. Answer is Jupiter. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury, Mars, Neptune, Venus. Okay, answer is Mercury. Which is the hottest planet in our solar system? Saturn, Mars, Uranus, Venus. Okay, answer is Venus. Which is the coldest planet in our solar system? Mars, Neptune, Mercury, Uranus. Answer is Uranus. This is the brightest planet in our solar system. Sun, Venus, Mars, Mercury. Okay, answer is Venus. Which is the largest moon of Saturn? Phobos, Deimos, Titan, Triton. Okay, answer is Titan. This planet is known as the red planet. Jupiter, Mercury, Uranus, Mars. Okay, answer is Mars. This planet is known as the blue planet. Venus, Earth, Uranus, Jupiter. Okay, answer is Earth. Earth completes one rotation in dash hours approximately. Answer is 24 hours. Which planet is known as evening star or morning star? Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Neptune. Okay, answer is Venus. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Neptune, Earth, Mercury, Saturn. Answer is Mercury. Which planet farthest from the Sun? Neptune, Earth, Mercury, Saturn. Okay, answer is Neptune. Name the largest satellite in the solar system. Answer is Ganymede. What is the age of Moon? Answer is 4.5 billion years. Which planet takes less than 10 hours for rotation? Answer is Jupiter. Which planet has the most prominent ring system? Answer is Saturn. What causes the moon to shine? Answer is the sun. When the moon reflects light from the sun, giving it a glowing appearance. What is the scientific name for a shooting star? Answer is meteor. Name the first woman to reach space. Answer is Valentina Tereshkova, 16 June 1963. Name the first man to walk on the space in 1965. Answer is Alexei Leonov, 18 March 1965. The first man set foot on the moon. Answer is Neil Armstrong, 20 July 1969. Which planet has 27 moons? Answer is Uranus. Our solar system is a part of which galaxy? Answer is Milky Way.